Are you based in the UK and looking for a smart way to earn passive income online? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how YouTube automation combined with AI tools can help you build a successful channel without showing your face or spending hours editing videos. Right now, faceless YouTube channels are growing at lightning speed, and one fresh example proves just how powerful this model is. A channel called SoulSync started only a couple of months back, and the way it has taken off is nothing short of amazing. In just a short period, they've uploaded dozens of videos and already attracted tens of thousands of subscribers. What's more, some of their uploads are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views, with one video already crossing the 1 million mark. The crazy part, they didn't rely on fancy production or expensive gear. Their content is simple, focused on spiritual themes, calming affirmations, and motivational lessons, but the way they present it keeps viewers hooked. Now here's the real insight. This type of content is completely monetizable, and you can check it yourself with free online revenue potential. So if a new faceless channel like SoulSync can pull this off in just weeks, imagine what you could achieve with the right approach. That's why I suggest you hit the subscribe button and stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to break down the exact strategies you can apply to build your own successful YouTube channel. YouTube automation simply means creating a channel where most of the work is handled by outsourcing or by using AI tools. You don't need to appear on camera, and you don't need advanced editing skills. Example niches: finance tips, motivational stories, business news, kids animations, tech reviews. UK CPM ad rates is among the highest in the world. Finance, business, and tech channels can easily earn £10, £20 per 1,000 views. Even with just 100k monthly views, you can make £1,000, £2,000. Step 1. Choose a niche. Focus on finance, business ideas, AI tools, or the UK lifestyle for maximum growth. Step 2. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate unique, engaging, and 100% original video scripts. Step 3. Create realistic voiceovers with AI tools like 11 Labs for a natural British or neutral accent. Step 4. Use AI video tools such as Pictory, Runway, or CapCut to bring your content to life. Step 5. Design eye-catching thumbnails and titles with Canva and AI-powered headline generators. Final pop-up. Step 6. Upload and SEO. Background shows YouTube logo, search bar with keywords UK Finance 2025, animated upward arrow graph. Monetization, AdSense, main income. Sponsorships, UK brands love niche audiences. Affiliate marketing, promote finance apps, credit cards, or business tools. Digital products, sell ebooks or courses via your channel. So, if you're in the UK and you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but didn't know where to begin, automation and AI make the process easier than ever. Start today. Pick a niche, use the tools I showed, and you'll be surprised how quickly your channel can grow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which niche you're planning to start.